My son married a girl from Chile last January. She is here in Orlando. She moved out after 3 months. They speak now and then. How can he divorce her? He owns nothing and has no money.
Okay. So, first of all, in almost all types of lawsuits, step number one in any lawsuit is to serve a copy of the complaint on the other party.
Mm-hmm.
It's called service of process. It gives the other party notice that the lawsuit is happening. It gives an opportunity to file a defense in the action. It gives them an opportunity to have their day in court. However, there are certain kinds of lawsuits that you can proceed with a lawsuit without giving service of process on somebody.
Mm-hmm.
And do you know what those are?
Divorce.
Divorce is one of them. So if you flat out don't know where your spouse is, you cannot find a place to serve her, put a copy of the divorce complaint in her hands, you can get a divorce via a publication in the newspaper. It is noticed to the world that, and to her spouse and his spouse in theory, that, hey, I'm divorcing you. You got an opportunity to file an answer in this divorce, but if you don't, I'm going to get a divorce. So if you do a divorce through publication, the divorce court is really only able to do one thing for you, and that is grant your divorce.
Mm-hmm.
The divorce court is not going to be able to divide up assets, determine child support, determine child custody, etc. The court can, when it's through publication, can do just one thing. So if that's what our texter is asking us, is how do you get divorced? How do you get divorced from somebody when you don't know where they are? Well, good news is you can do it through publication.
Oh, interesting.
So that may be what he's asking. He's saying, hey, we know where she is. How do I get divorced? My son doesn't own anything and has no money. Well, fine. Getting a divorce, when two people are getting divorced and they got nothing, no assets to divide, no children together, well, that divorce is going to be quite simple.
It makes it a lot simpler and something you can handle on your own, right?
1 minute.
Exactly. There is a do-it-yourself divorce kit. You go down to the circuit court in the county you happen to live in, and it's a do-it-yourself divorce. The clerks will help you through the process, but it can only be used when there are no minor children,
Right.
and there's no real estate to be divided.
Gotcha.
Yes. Okay, very good.